Come test drive the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power rear liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.